In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Clickup. Whether you're new to Clickup or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process with ease and clarity. Let's get started. First things first, to access Clickup, you'll need to navigate to their website. Open up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you prefer. In the address bar, you can simply search for Clickup, or if you want a more direct route, type in appclickup.com. This will take you straight to the login page where you can begin the process of accessing your account. Now, once you've landed on the Clickup login page, the next step is entering your credentials. Look for the login section on the page, which should be quite visible. Here, you'll need to type in the email address that's associated with your Clickup account. Make sure you double-check for any typos, as this is crucial for successful login. Following your email, input your password in the provided field. It might be helpful to remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure your caps lock is off unless your password requires it. After entering your email and password, you'll spot a login button, usually right below the credential fields. Go ahead and click on that button to proceed. Doing so should take you right into your Clickup workspace, assuming the details entered are correct. However, if you've linked your Google account with Clickup, there's an alternative and often quicker method to log in. On the login page, you'll find the option to Sign in with Google. Clicking this button will prompt you to select or enter your Google account credentials. Follow the prompts carefully, and once you're done, you should be seamlessly redirected to your Clickup dashboard. For many users, this option can save time and make the login process more streamlined. Upon successful login, you'll be taken directly to your Clickup workspace. This is where your workday begins, filled with tasks, projects, and all the fantastic features Clickup has to offer. If you happen to be part of multiple workspaces, Clickup will let you choose the one you need from an array of available options. It's a smooth transition, allowing you to get right into what matters most, your work. And there you have it. Logging into Clickup is straightforward and user-friendly, whether you choose to use a regular login or opt for a Google login. By following these steps, you'll be navigating your workspace confidently in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy productivity!